Hi all, welcome to my channel again. So today we are going to discuss about the DevOps Day 5 session, and in this session I'm going to explain you all about the advanced line scripting. So previously we have already discussed about the basic scripting, where we have discussed a basic shell scripting program and how to take the user inputs and using the if else condition. So in this session, we will be taking some scenarios and we will be scripting according to that. So if you want to check out this blog, everything I have mentioned here, if you want to check out this blog, you can follow this link. I will be mentioning this in the description box. So you can check out from there. So coming to the scripting scenarios. So the first scenario is like write a bash script of creating directories that when the script is executed, then three given arguments. Through the given arguments as an input, it should create first directory. First will be the directory name, and the second will be the start number of the directory name, and the last will be the end number of the directory name. Like that, it should get created. So here the scenario 1, when the script is executed like this, day 1 to 90. So what it will do is it should create day 1, day 2, day 3 up to day 90 directories. Like that we need to write the script. So this is the script. I will explain you all. I will be doing this in the practical also. So I will show you there. I have already created the script. So let me show you that and explain you how I am doing that. So this is the script which I so um, first we are taking the variable and this $1. Let me first explain you what this $1, $2 and $3 are. These are the parameters which we will be passing. So here day 1 to day 190. These three are the parameters which will be passing to the script. So day will be the directory name, and this is the start number and this is the end number. So in the script where we are using it directory name, here we are using that directory start number, we are using here directory end number, we are using here. This is the simple echo, like the script has created the directories with names, the directory name and the start number to directory name and the end number. So for this I have taken a for loop where the start number will be the directory start number, which we will be passing to the script using the arguments, and then the end number up to less than or equal to the end number, it should get executed. The for loop should get executed up to the end number is equal or less than. So every time it for loop get executed, it will be creating a directory with var name. This is a directory name from the inputs which we are giving, and the I, this will be the start number to end number that we are passing through the params, the second param and the third param. So uh, um, unless and until this condition become false, this will get executed and will get create number of directories will get created. So let's just test it. So I'm just executing this. Here if you don't give any params, then it will fail, because the main thing is the arguments which we are passing. So if you are not giving anything, then it will fail. So we need to pass the arguments. Let's suppose say Resh, I want 20 to 25. Only 5 directories I want. So this should get created in the current working directory. So when I execute this, so this got executed successfully and the script has created the directories with names res 20 to 25. You can see that here. You can see 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Everything got created. And to remove this, let's just execute this command. See, everything got deleted with Resh. So this is how scripting should be done. So what it has done in the end, it has automated the task of creating the directories from this number to this number instead of manually creating it. So shell scripting is used to automate the task like this. So similarly, if you want to create like 20 movie 20 to 50, then the similar thing which we can execute. Let me just create a 50 directories. Then so with save, I'm just giving 75. So it should create from raise 20 to raise 75. So it got created. You can see all the directories here. Let me just remove this. Everything gets removed. You can see. Okay. So the another scenario. Create a script to back up all your work done till now. So whatever the so this script is basically used to take the backup. Basically used to take the backup. Let me just show you the script and explain you all. So if you see here the source, whatever the files which are present here. So let me just edit this. Instead of a directory, let me just give all of the files which are or directories which are present in the EC2 user that should get backed up. So the destination will be the backup directory inside the EC2 user. So under there, a file should get created with a today's date and the time, and it should get tarred. So that file should be after backing up everything should get tarred. So a tar file will get created using this backup file. So this will create the backup file time.tzz with the source. So entire source is going to be tarred with the backed up and then tarred. So echo backup has been taken. So just simply we are just creating a file with today's date and time, and then we are just whatever there in the source, like whatever the files and directories are present in the source directory, we are backing that up and then we are tarring that. We are creating the tar file from that. So let me just execute this. So everything whatever there in the home EC2 user, so you can see here everything got backed up and it has created, everything got backed up and it has created a tar file. You can see here a new tar file got created. This is it. Okay. So that is the second scenario. So next one is read about cron tab to automate the backup script. So some companies might want to take the backup before doing upgrade of some specific application. So while doing that upgrade, uh, DevOps team might need to take the backup. So you can, instead of taking that manually, you can just write this script and then take the backup. So again, instead of executing that script manually, you can just automate that using the cron tab. So cron tab is nothing but making the script file execute at the specific time. So this is the 5 stars. This is the 5 star. Each one indicates some specific time, hour, day, month, and day of the week. So first one is the minute, second one is the hours, third one is the day of the month, and the fourth one is the month, and the last one is the week, and zero will be the Sunday. So like that we can automate our backup shell script file so that it can take the backup at a specific time. Cron tab is used to automate the script that will run in a set time interval. The format of setting the rules as shown in the above. So similarly, like I explained, like this we can schedule a job. How to add edit cron tab hyphen e for the edit, and to edit any usernames, edit any user cron tabs, other user cron tab, then we can just simply give cron tab hyphen u username hyphen. So how to list cron tab? Cron tab hyphen L is for listing, and similarly if we give username, then it will list the username cron tab listing. So this is the scheduled shell script which using the cron tab, which will get executed at a specific time without intervention of us. So star 1. So that means this is the day of the month. So first of every month it should get executed. This will get executed without intervention of us. Yeah, that's how we will automate the backup script or anything. Any script we can automate using the cron tab. So user management in Linux. User management root is the super user. It can perform any action. It will have all the privileges. So with the user add a hyphen c, we can add a user delete hyphen r username. We can delete any user. So let me just, and whatever the users which we have created, the information will get stored in this path. Let me just show you this. Um, I have created 2 users. Let me just delete it. User delete half an hour. Permission denied because I'm not the root user, so I need to use the sudo. So it got deleted. Okay, it got deleted. Now if we see cat etc slash, you can see only ect user is present. Now let me just create the user. User add hyphen c. Then a user got created. Now you can see that information here. This user got created. So that's all about today. Thank you for watching. If you want to go through this blog, you can check out the link from the description box. I will be mentioning there. Thanks for watching.